换的话需要多少钱啊？
几块？5个还是4个
好，四个，
？5个吧，还是4个？
四个。你先查一下。So we came to the charging dock for our bike, and this is our very old one. Yeah. Yes. Oh. So we are going to the market for some vegetables, and okay, let's go. So I really hate this bike. Oh my! Bring it closer. Bring it closer. No battery. Okay. Okay, so I went to get the big guy, and we are going to push this bike to perhaps get a new battery. The last time I used it was about 3 months ago, and I had to push it for almost 2.5 miles. I was taking my son to the hospital, and I just didn't know that it was that terrible. And we haven't moved the bike since then. Actually, this bike is a very special gift from one of our friends who has left China. Yeah, so we're going to take good care of the bike. Huh? 没有电，坏了，没有电。是的，没有，我们去买新的。So we are finally at the river. It's a very beautiful river here. We're going across the bridge. Ooh. Now he's going down the hill. The thing is not moving. We are almost there. Ni hao. Ni hao. 好的好的。我们那个电池坏了，这边能买新的吗？什么意思？能，好。So he says we can get a new battery here, and my hopes are up. I hope it's not so expensive. How much are you paying, Munib?
I have no idea.
No idea? Okay. 500? 500. Okay. Don't let him hear it. This 换的话需要多少钱啊？
几块？5个还是4个？
好，四个。
5个吧，还是4个？
四个。你先查一下，我不太清楚。
5个。
5个啊
？350块。
350块。
嗯，
你觉得怎么样？可以。这全新的是吧？
对。
好，那可以的。谢谢。I think it's much cheaper than what we expected. So yeah, we were looking for we were expecting 500-ish. So it's good. 这个老那个能用吗？还是就送给你的？
给我们的。
给你啊。
对，你
好
就
的
放心。
嗯，
350块。
好的好的。Oh, it's 5. Munir, check it. Bring it closer and see. So there are actually 5, I think 5 cartridges. Is that what they call it? 哎，你好。那个350也有你的那个服务费吗？还是什么？一起的，嗯，挺好。So I asked if the 350 yuan includes his like the service charge, and he says yeah, it includes the service charge. You don't want to pay extra money. 需要帮忙吗？这是什么品牌啊？我们这个
天能。
天什么？天能哦，天能电器。The new one we are getting is called the 天能。Yay! I'm so excited. 这个我们需要充电才能用吗？不用。
用完了再充电。
哦，好。
现在里边有90%。
90%。
对。
那挺好的。He says it's 90% charge, so you don't have to charge before you use it. So that's good. You can go to the market afterwards. 哎，感谢啊。这个也能换一下嘛？这个
不用了。
是吗？那不用了。
扔掉了。
那就不用了。这个怎么解开呢？
收。
哦，他说这个不用了。
这个换掉。是
的，帮我们换掉。也是多少钱啊
？15。
10
块。
可以，谢谢。这是太老了。你好。我老公说这个好像不太好用，也能换一下吗？
看一下。
Can we get like a new body for the bike? So that can we get like a new body for the bike? No? Okay. So he's helping us change the brake. 现在可以哦，那太快了。好的好的。我们有现金能用付款吗？
可以。1、
2、3、4，
找你40。
好的好的。你这个车店太好看了，有好多车。
来，
谢谢啊，我们很感谢啊，拜拜拜拜拜拜。 Very good. This one, where will we put it? This thing he said is not needed, yeah. Oh, where's the key? Ooh. Yay. Bye. Take care. So we just got our bike fixed and we are going to the market to get some vegetables. So see you there.